I've explained how we mix our paint with a mineral oil and put it on our palette. Now to work with that paint directly on the porcelain, you need what's called a medium. This medium is made from Copaiba, lavender oil, pure lavender oil, clove oil, and this particular medium also has a Copaiba in it. Copaiba is a fast-drying oil. If used by itself, it will dry in a short period of time, like an hour, and you wouldn't be able to blend your paints. When it's mixed with the other oils, you can work on it for days at a time, but it just gives a little more substance to the oil and is a little bit easier to apply to porcelain. Now, we usually keep our oil in what's called a well. This just happens to be a little butter dish. So you just pour it out, close it down. So we set this aside, usually above our ceramic tile, and I'll show you where we use the ceramic tile. And that's basically tells you about the medium that you will be using for porcelain painting.